Hi guys, in today's video I will tell you how you can become a high paid remote freelancer. Remote jobs are high in demand these days. If you have a digital skill, you can get started with a high paying freelancing career online. Step 1 is to sign up for flex jobs to instantly find remote jobs that you can perform. Once you sign up, you can view their remote job boards across all kind of industries, no matter your experience level or industry background. There are plenty of remote freelancing jobs on JobFlex. You don't need to stop there. Why not leverage your freelance work to start your own remote business? For instance, you can build a company of virtual assistants and use job boards to recruit clients. Are you having trouble to find the right employees, or maybe you're not sure you have enough knowledge, experience, or money to run a business on your own? You can find both employees and co-founder to partner with through cofounderlabs.com. You can even gain all the advantages of running your own company without launching an independent business. Freelance sites like Upwork or FlexJobs enable people to make a high time income online without having to search for clients, and the job available over a broad range including graphic designing, logo designing, web designing, infographic, voiceover, and more. Another option is Amazon Mechanical Turk, which allows you to complete manual microtasks for business owners all over the world. While while the pay is quite low per the task, they add up to some extra cash. One tasker made $290 to $300 per week on a week on MTurk while still working on another job. With MTurk, you'll need to be motivated if you want to make a lot of money, since the name of the game is volume. Ultimately, if you are starting in the world of making online money, remote freelancing with FlexJob is the best place to start. To migrate risks, FlexJob screen employees for you. FlexJob comes with a small flat monthly fee, not a percentage, but in return they vet all the job opportunities to make sure they're high quality. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for